Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I know exactly what's in here because honestly I've already opened it. I ordered this for myself directly from Knives Plus, and it was after somebody made me aware of it. I think it was on a live stream. I didn't recognize it, just said KP on the front of the package, and I was like, what is this? And I opened it up, and so we got to hear that was on a Saturday. And on Saturdays I don't record, so at that point I was just too curious because I realized I already knew what it was. And I've already handled the knife before, I just haven't handled this version of it. So I'm going to rob you guys of the organic unboxing experience. But anyways, we'll go ahead and get into it here. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you are enjoying the daily knife content on this channel and you'd like to support me, there is of course a link for my Patreon right down in the description. You can get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. This is a Knives Plus exclusive. So that's where you'll have to pick this up. This is a QSP. More specifically, it is a penguin, but not just any penguin. It's the Blue Jeans penguin, right? With the Blue Jeans micarta. But even more importantly, this knife is in S35VN. For how much, you ask? How much? $60. 60 bucks. Somebody told me that. I thought, what? Look, this is one of the best budget knives that's out there. In D2 it comes in at 30 bucks, which is awesome. I reviewed this knife. It's excellent. It's on my list of the one of the best knives of 2020 in general. Well, when I heard you could get it in S35VN, which is, I still consider it a super steal by a long shot, 60 bucks. Oh my gosh. I haven't heard any issues with inconsistent heat treatment with QSP, right? But then again, I don't watch every single upload that exists on, heat treat and cut tests and stuff like that. So this is definitely one of the best value knives of 2020 and one of the best value knives in existence. At 60 bucks, honestly I can still call it a budget knife, right? Everybody's got a different definition of that. I think most people consider it anything under 50. For me, it's kind of like anything under 75. And a lot of people say, no, budget knives are any knives under 20 or any knives under $16.42, right? Whatever. I'm going to call this a budget knife in S35VN. Wow, this is cool. Very smooth. Just excellent. I imagine it'll just break in better over time. I'll link the standard version of the QSP Penguin. Did I say Parrot or Puffin? They got a lot of... This is the Penguin. Well, gosh, is there a... Does it say? There we go. Does it say on here? Yeah, Penguin. There we go. I'll link the standard version of this and the brown micarta and D2. I mean, seriously, any version of this knife, it's recommendable. I've already done the full review on this. It's recommendable. 30 bucks for D2 and the brown micarta or the Blue Jeans micarta, which are both available. Yeah, pick it up. You want to spend an extra 30 bucks and get it in S35VN? Yep, great. It's worth it. I'll still do a full video on this, and we will undoubtedly be talking about this again towards the end of the year when I guess give out the trophies on this channel. The idea of an award ceremony, it's just funny to me. But I'm still going to do it. This is really, really cool. It's got a couple little quirky little fit and finish things, right? We're going to talk about that. But again, it's really hard to argue, the functional value here. 60 bucks. Really nice looking knife too. Really, it is. Okay, guys, it's going to be pretty much it. I'll link this and QSP knives in general down in the description. You'll need to go to Knives Plus to get the S35VN version. Anyways, please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.